There's nowhere to hide. In full stoop, she hits over 150 miles an hour. If the impact doesn't finish the job, the mountain will. Eagle eyes give her the upper hand in the high mountain peaks. And behind their success lie powers beyond our wildest dreams. Thick cover and few flight lines make hunting in the woods seem almost impossible. For all but the goshawk. Flying over 30 miles an hour, she rules the woods. Contorting to tiny gaps. And pulling turns tight enough to give a fighter pilot motion sickness. It's as if she already knew where she'd strike the moment she took off.